Ever felt like picking a stock is like choosing the perfect wine from an extensive collection? With so many options, how do you know which one has the right balance, flavor, and age to suit your taste? Well, today we are cracking the code to stock analysis, so you can choose the perfect stock every time. Welcome to Imarticus Learning, where we break down finance and investing so anyone can understand it. Let's start with the basics. Stock analysis. It is just a sophisticated way of saying, figuring out if a company is worth investing in. And trust me, it's easier than it sounds. So there are two main ways to analyze a stock: fundamental analysis and technical analysis. Think of it like deciding on a luxury car. Do you check the engine specs and performance, fundamentals, or do you focus on how sleek and stylish it looks on the road, technical? Let's break these down. First up, fundamental analysis. This is like doing a thorough background check on the company. You want to see how strong and reliable the company is before you invest your hard-earned money. Here's what you need to look at. Number 1, revenue and earnings. Is the company making money? Number 2, debt levels. Does the company owe too much money or is it financially stable? Number 3, profit margins. How much profit is the company making for every rupee it earns? It's like investing in a high-end restaurant. If they are making great profits, have no debts with suppliers, and always have reservations booked weeks in advance, you know they are doing something right. Now for the exciting part, technical analysis. This is where you read stock charts to find patterns, like a stock detective. You'll be looking at things like, number 1, price trends. Is the stock's price moving up, down, or staying flat? Number 2, volume. How many shares are being traded? If a lot of people are buying, it could be a sign the stock is heating up. Number 3, support and resistance levels. Think of these as the stock's comfort zones, where it tends to bounce or drop. It's like a top golfer performing consistently well on certain courses, support level. You expect them to excel when they are back in their comfort zone. So, should you pick just one? Not really. The secret sauce combines both fundamental and technical analysis to get the full picture. Fundamentals tell you if a company is worth investing in, while technicals tell you when to buy or sell that stock. It's the perfect duo, like a perfectly paired wine and gourmet meal. Now you are equipped with the basics of stock analysis. Whether you're just starting out or looking to sharpen your skills, remember, understanding the company's health and timing your entry or exit can make all the difference. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to Imarticus Learning for more awesome finance content. Got any stock analysis tips of your own? Drop them in the comments below. Let's share the knowledge.